Imagine being ahead of the curve, knowing exactly when to buy or sell in the stock market. What if there was a way to consistently turn those market signals into profits, effortlessly? Today, we're diving into the world of stock trading and revealing the secrets of a company that's helping traders like you maximize their gains with cutting-edge indicator alert analysis. Let's get started. The stock market is a fast-paced, ever-changing environment where one wrong move can cost you big time. For many traders, the challenge lies in deciphering complex market signals and identifying the right moments to act. The problem? With so much noise in the market, how do you filter out the bad signals and focus on the ones that really matter? This is where Above the Green Line comes in. We have developed a sophisticated system that does the heavy lifting for you, using fundamental skills to analyze market indicators and send you real-time alerts. But what exactly are these stock indicators and how can they help you stay ahead? ATGL specializes in what's known as stock indicator alert analysis. This platform tracks various market indicators, things like moving averages, relative strength, candlestick patterns, and more, to predict potential market movements. When these indicators show a strong signal, you get an instant alert, allowing you to make informed decisions faster than ever. Let's break it down with an example. Say you're tracking a stock, and the money wave indicator, slow stochastic, drops, indicating it's oversold. ATGL would send you an alert right at that moment, signaling that it might be the perfect time to buy. This kind of real-time analysis can be the difference between a missed opportunity and a profitable trade. So, what makes ATGL stand out? It's our commitment to empowering traders with actionable insights, helping you navigate the complexities of the stock market with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, their tools are designed to give you that extra edge. In the world of stock trading, timing is everything. And with ATGL's stock indicator alert analysis, you're not just keeping up with the market, you're staying ahead of it. If you're serious about maximizing your trading potential, now is the time to take action. Don't miss out on your next big opportunity. Check out ATGL website today and take your trading game to the next level. Thanks for watching.